Hey, what's up everybody? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2020 C300 4MATIC. This one's polar white. Under the hood is a 2-liter inline 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 255 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. Standard on the C-Class are front and rear LED daytime running lights. This one comes with 17-inch alloy wheels, a silk beige MB text interior, sunroof. Coming around back here, we've got our C300 4MATIC badging, power tailgate, all season floor mats, brand new floor mats, fold down rear seats, a comfort box for extra storage. Coming around the side here, this one does come with blind spot assist, a natural grain wood trim, memory seats, heated seats, power windows, heated steering wheels, steering wheel control with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, a rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, wireless charging, USB port, cup holders, our command center. This vehicle has 4,627 miles, all service records and Carfax available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this vehicle, check out feldmanimports.com.